Good morning, friends. After Diwali vacation, once again we are here. We would like to go ahead with the rest of the part of Unit 4. We were discussing dice, and I hope you had a prosperous Diwali and you are all are safe and healthy. So, we would like to go ahead with the crystal violet. And while writing the synthesis of any dye, we must focus on the presence of chromophore unit in the dye, the presence of oxochrome, the method of synthesis, whether it is one step synthesis or two step synthesis, and any one application of the dye. Now, let you look at the structure of the crystal violet dye, and the color of the dye is what the name implies you what it is, violet color. It is violet color dye, in which, now let you see here, what is a chromophore unit. Chromophore is unsaturated group, like this is one benzene ring 2 and 3, which is connected with this central carbon atom. So triphenyl methane is what it is, a chromophoric unit here. So what is a chromophore here? It is triphenyl methane is a chromophoric unit. What are oxochrome? Acidic and basic groups are generally termed as a oxochrome. So here it is tertiary amine, 1 2 3, three tertiary amine group is act as a oxochrome. Now let me see the method of synthesis of crystal violet. The method of synthesis of crystal violet involve two steps. Now we would like to begin for a synthesis. The step 1 is preparation of Michler's ketone. You can write here it is oxochrome. Okay. Now the step 1 is preparation of Michler's ketone. How it is? It is a very simple one. When two equivalent of dimethyl aniline we have to take. Two equivalent of dimethyl aniline. Two equivalent of dimethyl aniline when reacts with carbonyl chloride leads to formation of Michler's ketone with the elimination of simple HCl molecule. With the elimination of simple HCl molecule from here, there is formation of Michler's ketone that you can simply write here, the two benzene ring with the tertiary amine, and here it is ketone group. So this is Michler's ketone. Okay, so this is the preparation of Michler's ketone, two equivalent of dimethylamine when reacts with the carbonyl chloride, and simple elimination of HCl molecule from here leads to formation of Michler's ketone. Now the step 2 is the condensation of this Michler's ketone with again dimethyl aniline. Condensation reaction between Michler's ketone with dimethyl aniline. So simply you can write here this Michler's ketone and the dimethyl aniline. What happened here, it is a simple abstraction of this para hydrogen by the lone pair of electron of oxygen. So simple abstraction, and therefore there is a formation of carbon carbon bond between the carbonyl carbon and the carbon at 4 position, isn't it? And it becomes OH. So simple, there is a formation of carbon carbon bond between the carbonyl carbon and the third one ring, isn't it? The third one ring, and this becomes OH, isn't it? So now the lone pair of this nitrogen play its role, and it undergo conjugation, and you can have double bond between this nitrogen and carbon. This simple conjugation of this and elimination of OH from here, OH from here, isn't it? So you can have here, it is quinonide ring, quinonide ring, isn't it? So you do keep in mind this. Here it is a formation of carbon carbon double bond. This bond is as it is, and here it is a shifting of this carbon carbon double bond between these two carbon, and carbon nitrogen bond formation. Nitrogen carry positive charge which is attached with the Cl. Condensation reaction between the Michel's ketone and dimethyl aniline, it is in presence of anhydrous phosphorus oxychloride, leads to formation of the intermediate compound with the carbon carbon bond formation, isn't it? And then it forms a color base. It is a color base because carbonyl group become OH, isn't it? So it is a colored base which now on undergo conjugation in presence of HCl acid, in presence of HCl acid. And then there is what, because nitrogen of electron play its role, there is a formation of carbon nitrogen double bond. हा बॉन्ड इकडे शिफ्ट होईल आणि हा बॉन्ड या दोन कार्बनच्या मध्ये शिफ्ट होईल, हा OH इथून निघून जाईल. देर इज वॉट, इथे हा HCl चा आणि हा OH, देर इज एलिमिनेशन और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वॉट, वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल, आणि this nitrogen will carry positive charge, so therefore it is present in the form of what, a salt, or what you can say dye, crystal violet. Okay.